In this quick video, we are going to quickly show you how to install your Spigen armoured watch strap onto your Galaxy Watch 4. Now, it can be a bit tricky, especially if it's new. So just make sure you're lined up. You've got your holes that side for your buttons. It often feels like it doesn't want to go in, but start those 2 points at the top, like so. And it is often just a case of brute forcing it in. It really does feel tight, and you'll think, oh, that doesn't want to go in. But if you just push it in like that, and it will go in. As you can see, it's lined up at the sides there, and it is on. But it does feel tight. It does feel like, oh, that doesn't want to go. But just, like I say, line up those 2 bits at the top, get those lined in, push those in first, and then just push it in. And there you go. You've got your Galaxy Watch 4 in your nice armoured watch strap. Thanks for watching.